Hey guys, welcome to Josh and Ellie's cooking show, vlog number 1. Today we are going to be making some toast. And I know, pushing the boat out, a bit adventurous, and it's going to be just me today because Ellie's ill and she can't make it to the vlog today. Instead, you want to get 2 slices of bread out of your Hovis bag. Now ideally, you don't want the crust. Do you know what we think of crust? Fat crust. You want to get 2 good slices of bread, and if you look closely, nice, thick, fluffy bread. Really good. Now come with me. Next step is you want to make sure that the toaster is switched on at the plug. There you go, it's switched on. Red or meat on. Now, we get 1 slice, we'll put it in so that it's sideways, side up. Now repeat that for the second slice, and make sure if you are using a 4 toaster or a 6 or an 8, that you want them next to each other using the same power supply, otherwise the other one isn't going to cook unless you put that one down, waste energy. And when you've got this, you can see, if you come close, there are lots of dials with levels of heat. Now, I like mine a bit of a 4.5. You can hear the different clicks. Some people like it really toasted, some people like it shit. 4.5. Then you've got cancel, reheat, defrost, leave all them, push down, and you're done. Now, I know what you're thinking, too easy. No, it's not. Come with me to the fridge. Fridge filled with ingredients. There's only one elite ingredient for toast. That's Asda, slightly salted spreadable butter made with real butter. Now you want to get your butter ready. Look at that, savages. Someone's cut that with a fucking knife or a fork or something. And next up, you want to get your plate. So in here we've got all our different ingredients, chocolate spreads, none of that. I'm not a child, I just have butter. You want to find a small plate. There's no point wasting a big plate. Sorry, you probably didn't hear me. There's no point wasting a big plate on toast, is there? Let's be honest, this one perfectly sized, look. Someone got scared. Next up, what you going to spread your butter with? Fork? Knife? No, you're not. You're going to come to the cutlery drawer. You want to grab a teaspoon. Because a teaspoon is how you spread butter. What you want to do next is you want to wait for your toast to come out, spread it on. Now as you can see, it's not cooked yet, but ta-da! Look at that! Toast, cooked, done. Now come over here. You want to get your butter out, and you don't want to spread it this way. Done it wrong. Then you have to use your fingers. No, what you want to do is spread it outside on the butter. Like that. Bring it over here. Spread, 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 spread. You want to make sure that you cover all of the bread. You don't want none of that lazy stuff you used to get in school when you used to put loads in the middle and then you'd have really dry edges. Sorry about that, the cameraman is laughing. And the cameraman, Ellie's just ill, obviously. And yeah, you want to make sure it's all nice and buttered up. Repeat for slice 2. Bang! Second piece, buttered. And you want to cut it in half. Again, no need to use a knife, is it? Just use a spoon. Because when your toast is 4.5, cuts away with a spoon. Now don't do that, because that is how you ruin butter. Put the butter back on its lid. Open up your fridge. Chuck it back in. Bish bash bosh. Real good toast. Now, some people think that eating toast is nice and it's a nice thing to do in the morning. Me, I like to have a competition with my toast and see how much toast I can fit into my mouth at once. See here that we've got 4 halves of toast, 2 full slices. So, a little bit cool now, it's a bit nice. I'm just gonna go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision soft